Alright guys, so we just finished. Everything is working fine. Everything is working cool, you know. So YouTube, today we are going to be flushing the coolant out my car. Yeah. Fun.
This way off the video his car, so I'm going in because I don't want to be caught in no video.
So right now, here's what we're working with. So we have to get a 20 millimeter, I think. A bit for our star tool. And we got to take about 8 of these screws out to get under here to actually get to the drain plug. So yeah, that should be fun. And they're real small too. It's these. Let me see if we get a few right here. So yeah, fun. It's that hard, huh? That jack must be old. That's WD-40. WD-40.
One eternity later.
Yeah, exactly. This finally took off most of the screws and bits, so we can get to the drain plug. It's right there. It's got this one last one right here, and yeah, should be simple as that. put it under.
Is it loose now?
Oh yeah! Oh, I did it! Oh yeah! It's loose. Cool. Yeah! Yeah! I did that.
Just gotta get it over the hump when it's time to get it back on.
Alright, so let me get a zoom in for you guys. So I just took off that little rusty clamp just now, so now it is about to drain out the coolant. As simple as that, you know. Almost. Okay. Got it. Alright, you can stop when you want to.
Okay, in this clip, I didn't explain what I was doing. Basically, I was cleaning the under pan, the front bumper in between where the drain plug was, where we drained the coolant, because it was nasty and grimy and dirty. I ain't like that. I like to keep everything clean in my car. So this is what this is showing. Supposed to have that open from the beginning, let the air kind of push the fluid out. Why is it so clear down here? Like it's two separate compartments. Like clear water is down there, but the purple stuff is up top. You know what I mean?
Oh, it looks clear in here too. It looks like just the reservoir is dirty.
Oh, really? It looked like it was black before when I last looked at it. Oh, let me try that now. Pour some of it in here. Back in the day, when you had a manual transmission and you started it in gear, the whole
Turn the heater. I seen on the video he turned the heater on and turned it up to like 1 or 2. And give it some gas. Push on the gas a little bit. Let me see if that pushes.
I just feel like it looks dirty on the inside of it, especially in here. I don't think that. I don't know. I don't like how it looks.
You know what I would like to do? You see how the top, this top hose goes in from the top of the radiator? I would like to take this hose out and stick the pipe in there.
What pipe?
The hose, and let the water wash the radiator off, like any residue that was on the radiator too. If you feel like it, I think it's a good idea. Look, I'm thinking, I don't know if when we poured, this is what I seen him do. He put the hose in here and let the hose run, clean out everything, and the water running, from the bottom. But I don't know if the water goes, when you put it in here, I don't know if it shoots to the top or not. But we'll see. Nice green can, man. I like how it got that.
Look brand new. Okay.
Wow. Probably didn't even have to flush it. It looks purple. It looks blue. Just look like a little bit of taint or something. Probably not as bad as I thought.
Nah, I probably just need to wash out though.
Yeah. Maybe you can still use this stuff and take back the new bottle, because that was like $20. Let me see. Let me look at it. I can't see it yet. Let me see what it look like compared to the. It ain't that big. Alright, why is it blue? I thought it was supposed to be a purple color. This is purple? No.
You know what I'm saying? No.
Yeah. Oh yeah. The new one is blue.
Part just got dirty. No, but not that bad.
No, it's not.
I still put the new coolant on.
Here it is. Is there like
Oh yeah. Show you guys how it looks. So when you get the regular coolant, it's not really that dirty. It's kind of like a blue tint, a little dark. It's not really that dirty in person. But I'm still going to feel safe putting in the purple one. I'm not reusing this, even though it's like $20, but it's all right. So this is what we're going to be putting into the car. This is what we use for our Jetta 2012. So this one works as well. They're really the same. Let me see if I can back up for you guys. Any one works. That is clean inside the reservoir right now. It was probably just dirty inside when we first had our coolant leak. Probably why the coolant was so bad. So now we're just cleaning it off. And then we're gonna put in a new coolant. Yeah. Alright guys, so we just finished. Everything is working fine. Everything is working cool, you know. About to take a little quick test drive, so everything's fine. And that's it. Everything's perfect. It's fine. And it was easy too. It didn't take long. But yeah. That's pretty much it.